Hi, welcome to another 3D survey tutorial. Today I will present to you the new way of drawing with image support in CAD module. Sometimes it can be really difficult to extract some specific detail from your point cloud or mesh super accurately. Road curbs, building corners or roof ridges are just some examples of where you might need to check how your points created with CAD tools look like on an actual captured image. With the new 2.16 version of 3Dsurvey, you are now able to select the exact position of your CAD vertex on an image and triangulate its new and most accurate position. Now let's see an example where you might need the help of this new feature. This is a rooftop on which we would like to install a solar power plant. So we'll do some vectorization. Once in our CAD tab, simply select the line tool and start drawing anywhere. You'll see a column of images docked to the left side of your screen. You can resize it or even undock it if you'd like to move it to another screen perhaps. The point you've just created is represented by a red glowing crosshair. The name of each image is written in its top left corner. As you move around and change your point of view, the images also change. They are sorted in a way to display your chosen point from an angle that is most similar to your current point of view. With your cursor over the image, you can zoom into it by using your mouse wheel. There is also a slider to zoom in and out all your images simultaneously. These three icons on top let you choose the number of image columns. To scroll down the list of images, hold Ctrl while using your mouse wheel, or use the slider on the right. To reposition your point on an image, simply click it and drag it to your desired position. The more times you repeat this step on various images, the greater the accuracy. The key is to determine the position from various perspectives. 2 or 3 observations are usually enough. Little red dot above your crosshair indicates that the observation has been made for this image. If you've made a mistake, simply right-click and select Delete this observation. When you're satisfied with the results, you can simply close this window by clicking the X button. The image's side pane is now minimized to this icon here. Click it and it comes back. Now let's look at some other ways you can use this helper. For example, let's try to digitalize this window here. We can finish it really fast. Then select it again and correct the position of our vertices one by one. Other additional options are also available when right-clicking the crosshair. For example, delete other observations for this point. Observations on other images are discarded, while the active one remains. The third option will delete all your observations for this point and reset its original position. The last option will delete all your observations, but keep the amended position of your vertex. This is it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and enjoy this new feature.